How to enable dark mode for YouTube on your phone. Let's get started. First step is to open the YouTube app on your Android or iOS devices. So, once it is open, just simply tap on your profile picture at the bottom right corner of the screen to access your account settings. Now, tap on Settings icon on the top right corner of screen. Then, tap on General. Now, look for Appearance and tap on it. Under Appearance option, there are three options which are Use Device Theme, Dark Theme and Light Theme. To turn on dark mode, just simply select and tap on Dark Theme. Now that dark mode is enabled, you can enjoy a more visually comfortable YouTube experience, especially in low light conditions. And that's it. You've successfully enabled dark mode on YouTube on your phone. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Protect Tutor for more useful tips and tricks. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any other questions or video ideas, feel free to leave them in the comments below. See you next time.